Got a new batch of chips in. Let's test them and see how well they work. Good Friday morning to you, YouTube. It is 11 o'clock. I'm here at the bench with a plan. I always have a plan. It may not be a good plan, but I have a plan. The chips that I ordered, the LM380N chips from our new supplier, arrived yesterday and in the mail. And those are here. Tilt that down a little bit. Tata Electronics is where I got them. You can see on the label there. We're hoping these are good ones because the price is reasonable, and you know, if they are good ones, we can, you know, hopefully get what we need out of that. And the plan I have on this is to build a board, and I put a revision 1 on there. I'm going to build up a board with the basically the LM380 part of the circuit, and to where it's powered up and will provide an output. I'm not going to put all this junk in because, for one thing, this junk around, you know, on this side is not even used anymore. As far as the parts that are, you know, we have. So, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and build this up for a test jig. And probably what I'm going to do is I may hook it up to a speaker, but then again I may use the scope and use the dual trace to, you know, show the input versus the output of the chip, and we can see the amplification factor a little bit easier that way, and get an average of what each one of them does or whatever, and at least we can test them that way. And of course we can hear the sound too if we want. So anyway, I'm going to get started and build this up, and I'll come back with you then. I am back once again. It is about 1:35 now in the afternoon. I do have one of the things hooked up here. Obviously everything is hooked up. I'm just waiting to put some power to it, and I'm going to be doing that very shortly. Move these things out of the way because I always mess them up. Give some. Okay, we have. Didn't take long. Just a square wave at the moment. Let me get some decent voltage on it. Alright, what you're hearing is the what we are putting in, and I've got this voltage, what do you call it, backwards, but that's okay. Let me turn this down just a little bit. Just wanted to make sure you can see on the other display there, I think. I get about half of it half the time, I think. Let me see what I'm getting on it. I have to back up a little bit on it. Just back up a little bit. There you go. Now you're getting a little bit of a amplification, I guess. I may have this up too high. Maybe turn this down a little bit. And we'll adjust the scope a little bit. So there you go. That's basically what we're getting out of the... it pretty well matches what we're getting out. Now there's a little ripple in there you can see, but... so let me turn it up a hair and see what happens. So there's amplification right there. I haven't done much of anything. I got to get this around a little bit so I can see better. There we go. But there's your amplification. You can, I might have to turn this one down, looks like. Oops, wrong one. I'm on 1 volt per division on the top one, and 0.2 volts per division on the bottom. So there's your amplification, pretty good indication there. And it starts clipping there at a certain point, but there's to show you that it does work, and you can hear the evidence as well. Now I've got this, I don't have that up high enough, so I'm going to redo this whole thing. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, there you can see on the display the difference of the bottom. This is set to, let's see, basically, I'm trying to find out, oh there it is, 0.2 volts per division, and this is set to 1 volt per division. So there's a difference, a five times difference there, and you can see, you know, if I put them equally, this is going to go off the screen, obviously. So there is amplification there, and I can turn it up just a little bit more and make it clip. You can see there. So there's your proof that it is working, and that's a good thing. So that's the first one. Let's try another one. Alright, now we're back with number 2, and you can see it works very well also. Turn it up a hair. Clip is about the same spot. So you're seeing, like I say, what we're aiming for is the output on the or the input on the bottom and the output on the top. And I've already told you I will flash up the volts per division on the top line and the bottom line, and so you can see exactly how much amplification we're getting out of it, and you can hear it too. So alright, that's number 2. I'm going to go through the rest of them. I'm not going to say too much, so let's start on that. This is number 3. Very good. Number 4. Looking good. Alright, this is number 5. Looking good. Very good. Here's number 6. Very good, very good. This is number 7. I also want to note at this point, looks like they're drawing about 130 milliamps each one. As I crank it up a little bit, it goes up a little bit. There's 190 milliamps. But about 100 and let's see, 130 is pretty good right there, about there. So, all right, next one is coming up. Okay, this is number 8. Everything's looking good with it. Very good, very good. Got 2 more to do now and we'll be done. Number 9. Number 9, number 9. Alright, there you go, number 9, and 1 more to do, and we'll do that one next. Alright, this is our number 10. And there we go for number 10. Very good. I am very happy and very pleased that they test the same on all of them. And I'm going to go back and end this up here now, so stay tuned. Alright, now you can see the all the LM380N chips that we bought from Tata perform very well. And we're going to be very happy about that because this is a fairly Bob has used Tata for quite a while as a supplier for parts, and he's found them to be always a good source for stuff like this. So we're going to be very happy that everything worked, and so I will be getting my findings to him. He's currently taking a nap. So you know, once he gets up out of bed or whatever, he takes a nap in his chair, I don't know, but whatever. That was that. Alright, so there we go. 10 good chips. Happy about that. I had to take a break in the middle of this. Kylie came by and she had to go to work at 1. So she stopped by and yacked with her old papaw for a while, which was nice. And so anywho, also I meant to say this beginning with, and I forgot it. I want to apologize to anybody out there that I have slighted in comments. With my present situation on YouTube, I'm not doing this on purpose, obviously, but sometimes I don't see comments, and I may not answer them for a day or two if I, don't get to see them, because I'm doing a lot of this on my phone, and I hate doing things on my phone like that because it's just, to me, too hard to do. So anyway, if I don't answer your comment right away, please forgive me. It's just YouTube being the way YouTube is, and so I just want to let everybody know so it's understood what's going on with that. And also, anybody, my new subscribers, I want to say thanks, welcome aboard, whatever. If you guys, you new subscribers, well, the old guys should know this, but anybody have comments or suggestions on what I should make a video of, things like that, I'm always happy to do that. It just, I like to make videos. I can't explain it any other way. So, if you have something that you'd like to see me do, I mean, within reason, so hopefully electronics related, because it's easy for me to sit in here and do stuff like that, and I enjoy doing that stuff. So anywho, that's that. I don't know what else to say. I think that's going to do me. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you